Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to play Fortnite on iPhone running iOS 26. All iPhones that run iOS 26 are eligible to download Fortnite, which means it has to be iPhone 11 or newer. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 or any newer. To get it, you'll need to go to Epic Games Store iOS. You can just search for that on a browser. Then you'll find the first link most probably will work. Click on install on iPhone or iPad, then click on install. You may need to click on OK in this pop-up, then go to, before you click on install here, first go to settings, and in the settings go to allow apps from Epic Games Incorporated. Click on allow. Now enter your passcode or Face ID. And now it's done, so let's scroll down to apps to see if in app installation you have Epic Games Incorporated. Yes, you have, but we don't have the Epic Games app yet, so let's go back to the browser and click on install. Now it'll show you this pop-up. You'll need to click on install app marketplace, then verify with Face ID or passcode. And now, wait a moment until it actually gets downloaded. Go into Epic Games Store, click on Get Started, click on Continue. Now you may need to sign in with your Epic Games account. I think that you can't skip that. I'm just gonna make sure, yes, you can't skip that, but I'm just gonna try to log in with Apple ID because it's gonna be the fastest. Okay, I'm just gonna get back to you in a moment. Now once I've entered the Apple account password, I'll just click on allow, then remember this code. I think it's correct now, and I'm gonna click on trust this browser. Then let's continue. And you can see I can click on yes, continue. Then let's click on done. And once we are in the Epic Games Store, you'll need to find Fortnite. You can also use this search bar at the top, by the way, but I already have it here. I'm just gonna click on download, and then click on install app and verify with my Face ID or passcode. And once it's downloaded, just click on open. And now it'll start downloading, then you can play the game. I'm gonna exit it already, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.